Okay guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. So this is going to be the first episode about Docker. And first of all, what Docker actually is and what problem it solves. Well, imagine that you need two applications installed on your system. And as you know, every application needs its dependencies. But if dependencies of these two applications are in conflict, that means that you cannot run these two on your system at the same time. Or what in case that your system cannot support some of dependencies for application that you need? Well, that is exactly where Docker jumps in. To put it simply, Docker is kind of service that holds containers. And container holds application that you need with all of its dependencies, where content of one container cannot affect content of another container or your operating system. That means that you can run all of applications that you need without them affecting one another. And Docker supports various operating systems, but for this episode I'm going to teach you how to install it on Ubuntu server. Of course, I'm going to show you where you are going to find instructions to install it on any other operating system that you need. But keep in mind, this is not straightforward process. So from time to time it's gonna flex your brain muscles a little bit. So first, open your browser and navigate to docker.com. Go to docs. Now Docker engine, install, and find operating system that you need. I'm going to choose Ubuntu. Go down. First, we have to set up a Docker repository. So I'm just going to copy all of this. In this way, we are just going to set a source where from our Docker is going to be installed. Open your system shell back, paste all of this, and press enter. Provide your password, and wait until it's done. All right, I'm going to clear my screen, go back to your browser, and now we are going to use this command. With this command we are actually going to install Docker. Copy it, go back to shell, paste this command and press enter. Yes. I'm going to clear my screen once again. And now in Docker system, container is called image, and if you want to list all of images on your Docker, what you have to do, type sudo docker image ls for listing. Now we don't have anything installed on our system. In order to run some image, you are going to use command sudo docker run, and then you are going to provide the name of your image. Hello world. All right. So as you see, application hello world, it's pulled automatically. And this text, it's what we got with execution. Now, if you run command image ls once again, you are going to see that we have one image installed. So guys, that's all for this episode. In next episode we are going to deal with actual process of image creation, and in no time you are going to be able to use Docker with ease. So I hope that you learned something new and interesting. Please like, subscribe, and see ya!